Hi, Kathy here from Kathyskutekreations with the Stay Spooky Mystery Quilt. And Angela, yours is being sent off in the mail. And they did not give us the days, so I will have to write the days down and put them across the screen. Actually, I'll put them on a piece of paper. There you go, September 11th. Now, all these dates are on a Monday. September 18th, September 25th, October 2, and October 9th. And this is the Stay Spooky Halloween Mystery Quilt-Along. Let me go ahead and I'm going to get all this fabric out. I'm going to lay it on the table because it looks so much prettier when it's all laid out for everybody. Okay? There's 9 colors. This is the background, I do believe, with orange and black dots. Dark orange, light orange, black, gray on a white background. Here is the black with the orange pumpkin faces. Then we have the orange polka dots, the black with polka dots, and then we have our words. So it's treats, scary, eek, eeks, tricks, I think I said spooky already. It's got scary, and then we have the black with the white hats and brooms and cats and skeletons. Then we have the black with the white ghosts and the moons and the stars and the polka dots. And then we have the words in orange on the black background. And then we have the checks in white with orange and black, and then in orange with white and black. And we have our long arm quilting service in Fort Worth, Texas, if you're interested and you need somebody. So I've got that sitting here. That's Laura. She's part of the team. Or Lori, excuse me. Okay, so everybody come join us. Let me flip this over. This is what I wrote all my stuff on for September 11th. And that will begin the cutting. And we probably will make a block, I think, on the first one whenever we do the cutting, and it's 5 weeks long. And we'll go from there. We'll have more information. But anyway, Angela, yours is on its way. And hopefully everybody will join me, whether you've bought a kit or not. I love all these different colors and fabrics that are in here. It's a really nice variety. I can't wait to get started. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.